$10 a day, then 50, then 100, then 1,000, then 10,000 a month. Same person, same 24 hours, completely different decisions. The side hustle is the most democratized wealth-building tool in human history. Never before could someone in a bedroom in Lagos or Louisville build an income that competes with a corporate salary. But most people get stuck at level 1 and never figure out why. Today we're mapping every level of the side hustle journey, from your first $10 day to a $10,000 month. The mindset at each stage, the trap at each stage, and the move that takes you to the next one. Level 1. The $10 day. This is where every side hustle begins. You've made your first dollar outside your salary. Maybe it's a freelance logo, a sold item on Facebook Marketplace, a dog walked, a lawn mowed, a word translated. It doesn't matter how small it is. What matters is that you proved the concept. At level 1, you're trading time for money the same as your main job. But the difference is this: you chose the work. You set the rate. You decide when and how. That's not just income, that's sovereignty. The most common mistake at level 1? Treating it like a hobby instead of a business. You don't need a business plan. You don't need a limited company. You need a customer, a service, and a way to get paid. That's it. The move at level 1. Do it 100 times. Not perfectly, just repeatedly. Skills develop through repetition, not through planning. Level 2. The first $1,000 month. Something important shifts here. $1,000 a month is $12,000 a year. That's a meaningful income. Can pay a car note, can pay rent, can fund an investment account. And more importantly, it changes how you see yourself. You are no longer a person with a side project. You are a person with a business. At level 2, you've found something that works. You have some repeat customers or a platform generating consistent traffic. The work is becoming more repeatable. The trap at level 2. Spreading yourself across too many ideas. When you hit level 2, opportunity appears everywhere. Suddenly you want to start a YouTube channel, launch a course, sell on Amazon, and open an Etsy shop all at the same time. Don't. Pick one. Go deep on one. Become the best in the world at one specific thing for one specific customer. The move at level 2. Systematize the delivery. Turn what you do into a process. Document the steps. Because the next level requires you to work less, not more. Level 3. And this is where it gets hard. At $3,000 a month, your side hustle income is competing with or possibly exceeding your main salary. And that creates a crisis of identity. Because everything in your upbringing, your schooling, your social circle told you that the path is job, promotion, pension. Not side hustle, business, freedom. The trap at level 3 is playing it safe when it's time to go all in. You've proven the business model. You have customers. You have a process. But you're still doing it in the evenings and weekends while also doing the full-time job. You cannot build a $10,000 per month business in 4 hours a day. At some point, you have to make a decision. Now, I'm not telling you to quit your job impulsively. The move at level 3 is strategic. Save 6 months of expenses. Get your side hustle to equal your salary. Have clients who will follow you. Then and only then make the leap. Or don't leap at all. Some people build to this level and stay here. That's legitimate. $3,000 extra dollars per month. Tax efficiently structured. Compounded into investments over 10 years. That's life-changing regardless of whether you ever quit your job. Level 4. $5,000 a month. At this level, you can no longer do everything yourself. If you try, you hit a wall. You have 36 hours of work to do in 24 hours. And the quality starts to drop. This is the level where you stop being the worker and start being the owner. That means your first hire, your first contractor, your first automation, your first process that runs without you personally in the room. And I know what you're thinking. I can't afford to hire someone. But let me show you the math. If you hire a part-time virtual assistant for $500 a month, and that frees up 10 hours a week, and in those 10 hours you land one extra client worth $1,000 a month, you just got a 200% return on that hire. Leverage is the word that separates employees from business owners. Time leverage, money leverage, skill leverage, Level 5, $10,000 a month. This is $120,000 a year from something you built. Not inherited. Not one. Built from a $10 day. At this level, the business runs with you being present but not essential. You have a team, a system, a brand, and recurring revenue. And here's the beautiful thing about reaching level 5. The next move isn't to work harder. It's to invest the profits. The business generates income. The investments generate wealth. They're different things. And the most common mistake at level 5 is reinvesting everything back into the business, while ignoring the asset building. Take 20% of what the business generates and put it into index funds, property, or other assets every month. Let the business fund the wealth engine. 5 levels. 1 journey. Level 1, the $10 day, prove the concept. Level 2, the $1,000 month, find your thing. Level 3, the $3,000 month, go deep, not wide. Level 4, the $5,000, hire for leverage. Level 5, the $10,000, invest the profits. The side hustle isn't the end goal. It's the vehicle that funds the investments that fund the freedom. Most people have a skill right now that someone somewhere would pay for. The barrier isn't ability. It's the first step. Take the first step. Make $10. Then make it again. Then don't stop.